So in this example, I'm going to describe the byte array input stream class. So what I'm doing is like I'm creating one string with the Ravi, and I'm getting the bytes of this string. So this is the method by this is the default method from the string class, and it will give me the byte array, and I'm passing this byte array into this byte input stream. And because this is a byte input stream, I could get the length of that particular byte array. See, I could get the byte array length, and I'm just iterating it till the length of this byte. So from 0 it will continuously read it and put it into the this data, and finally I'm just writing this data into this uh, output dot println. So let's see what will happen. I have saved it. So let me compile Java C byte Java Java byte array. See, it is printing the data into the this numeric format. So to change this class, what I could do is like I will. So this data, it actually comes as a integer. So what I could do is like I could explicitly typecast it as a char, then it will convert it into the string or the character format. So let me compile this. Let me run this. See, if you can see this is printing the Ravi instead of the numeric as it was doing earlier. So the other methods from input stream is like the available and read, passing the byte, putting the offset and the length. So let me add it. So this length will not work. I have to use the available method. So it will give you the actual length of the input stream, this one. And here, so this is length of 4. So it will count from the 0, 1, 2, 3. So let me say I need offset from 2 and complete length, that is 4. So let me compile this again. Available byte array. Instead of byte array, I have to use input because this is from the byte array input stream. So see, it is printing V. That means it will just add this one, this V. So if I will do it 3, it will print the I, right? So this is how you could use the offset and the length in the byte array input stream. There is another method, that is the skip. So number of bytes you want to skip, from the starting position, you could just mention it. So here, for example, in this Ravi, what I want to do is like I want to skip the 2 bytes. So I'm compiling this class and running. So it is skipping the first 2 bytes. And if I'm adding 3, compiling again, it is skipping the first 3 bytes. So this is how you could skip your bytes by using the skip method from the byte array input stream.